So, say suppose a small example, if this is your first day as an enforcement officer, and you just went for a visit with your seniors, okay, and you have a meeting with an industrialist who is sitting in his cabin. So your senior says that please go in and take initiative of the meeting, and on very first day he is trying to bribe you, okay, and as your intention was not to take the bribe, suddenly your senior comes in and he sees that the industrialist is giving you the money. However, you are just going to deny it. So what? How will you convince your senior that I was not taking the bribe? It was just a matter of time that you just come. That it is just a coincidence that you comes in and you sees us like this. How will you convince you?
Sir, first of all, I would be completely telling him what happened and what led to the circumstances. I would clearly brief him and also my intentions. And I feel, sir, that as a subordinate officer, I am sure that my senior would understand, sir, because we are working for the same organization. And
Suppose this is your first day. He don't know about anything about you, and he is not impressed about your explanation. So how do you explain him, or how do you convince him? He's not convinced at all.
sir, in this case, I will tell him clearly that what led to the situation, and also tell him that, sir, I am also not in support of these uh, bribes and such acts, and we try to convince him, sir, that this is
How?
not my
That's
intention,
what
sir.
I'm asking. How you will convince him? Say, suppose I am that officer. Convince me. Come on.
Sir, actually, the situation that I'm finding myself is that was not my intention, and I would like to work for the organization in the best of the spirit, sir. And I'm sure that you will understand because uh, as a new officer, I also want to contribute to the organization and discharge my duties in the more efficient manner.
Okay, fine.
And
So give me the evidence that you have not taken the bribe, or you are going to say no while taking the bribe.
sir, I will, in this case, sir, I have the option of reprimanding that person who was first in the first place offering me the bribe, and also warn him not to engage in such acts. So that would also reflect my intentions, sir.
Evidence. If I have asked you about the evidences of the thing that you are not taking the bribe, so what evidence you will provide me as an enforcement officer to your senior?
Sir, in this case, if in a particular industries we have the CCTV camera, sir, so that is would be the only option for me using the footage that
That's what I
what
want from you. Okay, fine.